Hey guys, today I'm going to show you something really cool, one of our most powerful tools called AI Logo Generator. Now, what makes this tool truly one of a kind is that it not only lets you generate logos from prompts, but it also lets you edit using prompts. That means that you can refine and customize AI generated logos in real time, something not a lot of AI tools can do. So let's just get right into it. We are going to start by logging into lightxeditor.com. I will link it in the description box. So when you sign up, you get 5 free credits daily, which means you can try the tool for free. Now, this is my dashboard, lots of AI and non-AI tools. Here, I'll go to AI design, AI logo. Now, the process is super simple. You just have to describe your logo in the prompt box. Now, if you have a specific vision in mind, you know exactly what you want to generate. You just have to describe it in the prompt box. But if you have no idea what you want and you're just exploring like me, you just have to put in 2 key elements in the prompt box, your brand name and your niche. Okay, I will type create a logo for my health supplement brand called BioNourish and hit generate. So what you see here that it has generated the logo based on my niche, and even though I really like what it has come up with, I will still generate like 5 to 10 more variations, just to explore different ideas. Now I will pick the designs I like and start editing. I'll click this shiny button right here, change with AI, which opens another prompt box, and from here I can work on my final design. So I will start describing my changes. Now this is the step where you want to experiment with different colors, different design styles, and place icons and work with the placements. For example, I want my logo to be pink. Again, I will not give a lot of prompts to the AI because I really like what it has generated for me in the first place. So I will just tweak things one by one, change the color scheme to pink and gray and hit generate. I'm happy with the result, but you can make more variations if you want. Let me just make it for you. Okay, let's go back, and these are the changes that I've made so far, all the generations and editing. You can simply download it, but before that, I want to see how my logo will look on a mockup. So I can do that as well. We go on the change with AI button again and describe, place this logo on a medicine bottle mockup and hit generate. Oh my god, this is it. This is the one. So yeah, that's it. A very simple and useful tool that you can use, and there are other editing features as well, like you can edit further, you can upscale for printing, and you can even pick the size of the logo you want. You can make it horizontal, you can make it vertical, but mostly that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more such tutorials, you can comment down below. We will make it for you. And if you have any questions regarding not just this tool, any tool, you can email us. I will put the link in the description as well. See you next time. Bye bye.